Welcome back to Motorhome Review's 2026 McLaren RV Motorhome Exterior, Interior, Performance and Prices Review. If you're a fan of blending supercar thrills with ultimate road trip luxury, the 2026 McLaren RV is a game-changer that brings Formula One DNA to the RV world. This isn't your average camper, it's a hyper-luxury motorhome that fuses McLaren's engineering prowess with opulent living spaces, designed for those who want to conquer highways at blistering speeds while enjoying 5-star amenities. Drawing inspiration from icons like the 720S and P1, this beast redefines what a motorhome can be. Let's start with the exterior that makes it look like a supercar on steroids. The 2026 McLaren RV stretches about 40 feet long, with a sleek, aerodynamic profile crafted from lightweight carbon fiber composites that shave off weight while enhancing strength and efficiency. The front end is pure McLaren aggression, featuring razor-sharp LED headlights that wrap around a functional grille with massive air intakes to cool the hybrid powertrain. These lights are adaptive, adjusting brightness and beam patterns for optimal visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. The body panels are sculpted with smooth curves and integrated diffusers, reducing drag to supercar levels. Expect a coefficient as low as 0.35, which means better fuel economy on long hauls. At the rear, an active spoiler deploys automatically at higher speeds for added downforce, while a full-width LED taillight bar incorporates brake lights, signals, and even a reverse camera display. The chassis is height-adjustable via air suspension, lowering for highway stability or raising up to 6 inches for campsite clearance over rough terrain. On the sides, flush-mounted double-glazed windows with electrochromic tinting provide privacy at the touch of a button, turning from clear to opaque. There are 2 to 4 slide-outs, depending on the configuration, that expand the interior space seamlessly when parked, operated by quiet electric motors with weather-sealed edges. Below, massive storage bays offer pass-through access, lighted and organized with carbon fiber trays for gear like bikes or golf clubs. The wheels are custom 24-inch forged alloys wrapped in high-performance tires, giving it a stance that's as intimidating as a track-ready hypercar. Paint options are endless, from classic McLaren orange to bespoke metallic hues with a high-gloss finish that's resistant to scratches and UV damage. Extras like a retractable awning with built-in LED lighting and an integrated solar panel array on the roof add to its off-grid appeal. Overall, the exterior isn't just functional, it's a statement of speed and sophistication, turning heads at every rest stop or luxury campground. Venturing inside, the 2026 McLaren RV's interior feels like stepping into a private jet crossed with a high-end supercar cabin, offering over 400 square feet of expandable living space that's all about minimalist luxury and cutting-edge tech. Entry is via a powered door with biometric access, leading to a cockpit-inspired driver's area with a yoke-style steering wheel, hand-stitched in Napa leather and Alcantara. The dashboard is a curved digital display cluster with augmented reality heads-up projection for navigation, speed, and even campsite recommendations. Seats are ergonomically designed racing-style buckets with heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring comfort on epic drives. The main living area opens up with the slide-outs, creating an airy lounge with modular sofas and premium leather that recline fully and swivel for optimal viewing. A 72-inch 8K OLED TV rises from a hidden console, paired with a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system for immersive entertainment. Stream movies, play games via an integrated console, or connect to satellite internet. Ambient LED lighting throughout can be customized via voice commands or a central app, shifting colors to match your mood. The kitchen is a gourmet haven, equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator that inventories groceries and suggests recipes, and a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are marble effect composites, with soft close drawers and a dishwasher that recycles water for efficiency. Adjacent is a dining nook with a fold-out table that seats 6, convertible into a workspace with holographic projectors for virtual meetings. Moving rearward, the bathroom is a spa-like retreat with a glass-enclosed rainfall shower featuring body jets and chromotherapy lighting, a porcelain toilet with bidet functions, and a vanity with an anti-fog smart mirror that displays news or weather. Heated floors and towel racks add warmth, while an advanced filtration system ensures spa-quality water. The master bedroom is the crown jewel, with a king-size memory foam bed on a power lift for underbed storage, surrounded by panoramic windows and a retractable skylight for stargazing. Blackout shades and zoned climate control promise restful sleep, and built-in nightstands offer wireless charging. Throughout, materials like carbon fiber accents, brushed aluminum, and sustainable woods create a futuristic yet cozy vibe. Smart integrations include AI assistance for controlling everything from shades to security cameras, and the layout sleeps up to 4 comfortably, with options for a cab-over bunk or convertible sofas. Off-grid features shine here too, with lithium batteries powering appliances silently. On the performance front, the 2026 McLaren RV packs a punch that lives up to its supercar heritage, making it one of the fastest motorhomes ever conceived. At its core is a plug-in hybrid powertrain, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing over 850 horsepower, augmented by dual electric motors adding another 300 horses for a total output exceeding 1,150 horsepower and 1,000 lb-ft of torque. This setup rockets the RV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, insane for a 20-ton vehicle, while a 12-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts. Top speed is governed at 120 miles per hour for safety, but it's built for effortless highway cruising. Handling is where McLaren's F1 expertise truly excels. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps weight low, paired with adaptive magnetic suspension that adjusts in real time to road conditions, absorbing bumps like a luxury sedan. Rear-wheel steering and torque vectoring make maneuvering tight turns or parking lots surprisingly agile, despite the size. All-wheel drive ensures grip in various weather, and carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power. Driving modes include Eco for electric-only silent running up to 80 miles, Sport for V8 thrills with an open exhaust note, and Autonomous for hands-free highway travel using AI cameras and sensors. Safety tech abounds, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree view. Fuel efficiency hits 10 to 12 miles per gallon combined, thanks to regenerative braking and aero tweaks, with a 700-mile range on a full tank and charge. Solar panels and a massive battery bank allow extended boondocking without firing up the generator. Pricing for the 2026 McLaren RV reflects its bespoke supercar status, starting at around $2.9 million for the base model. That gets you the core hybrid powertrain, standard luxury interior, and essential tech, but customizations can push it to $4 million or more. Options like enhanced audio systems, additional solar capacity, a built-in garage for a matching McLaren sports car, or McLaren special operations tailoring, where you collaborate on unique paints, materials, and layouts, add significant costs. Financing through luxury lenders offers terms up to 15 years, and annual maintenance might run $5,000 to $8,000, backed by McLaren's global network. Resale value. These are collector's pieces, holding strong for years. If this review of the 2026 McLaren RV has you revved up for supercar-level adventures, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more luxury motorhome breakdowns, and comment below on your dream RV features. Thanks for tuning in, drive safe and live large.